Good morning. How are you? Okay, good. So, let us learn something. What we are going to learn today? Today we will learn science. What is science? It is a study about our surroundings. There are plants, animals, trees, a lot of things are there in our surroundings. Okay, let us learn about science. And what we are going to learn in science today? We will learn about our body. The name of the chapter is Knowing Our Body. Okay, so ready? Okay, the first topic is our body parts. Our body has many parts. What are the parts of our body? See this picture. We have many parts in our body, starting from our head. See, head to toe, there are many parts. Can you name them? Okay, read it with me. Starting from the head to the right. Head, forehead, eyebrow, nose, mouth, chest, elbow, arm, hip, thigh, calf, heel, arch, ball, toe, foot, ankle, shin, knee, finger, hand, waist, shoulder, neck, chin, cheek, ear, and eye. There are many parts in our body. Can you name any 10 of them? Okay, good. Name them with the spellings. Okay. So let us continue now. We will learn about these body parts and their uses. These body parts are of many use for us. What do we do with these body parts? Let us see. Each part of our body is important. Okay, all the parts of our body, it is hand or leg or our ankle or elbow or neck or shoulder, whatever it is, each of them is very important. How they are important to us? Let us see. All the parts of our body work together to keep us alive and healthy. How do they help us? They help us to keep us alive. We are alive with the help of our parts of body, and we are healthy also. Okay, and what else do they do? We do many things using different parts of our body. You may be writing, you are able to speak, you eat, you play, you walk. All these are possible with the help of different parts of our body. Okay, so these body parts are very important. Let us see which are these various body parts. Now we will learn about some uses of some of the body parts. Okay, importance. Okay, we are going to learn about the importance of body parts. Okay, first of all, which one we will see? The first one is mouth. What do you do with the mouth? Okay, we eat with our mouth. What do you do? Eating. Which all body part which you use to eat? Mouth. Very good. See the picture? Whatever we eat, which organ help us? Which body part help us? Mouth. Then what else do we do? We speak with our mouth. We can speak. Our mouth helps us to speak. See, this person is speaking with the help of his mouth. Now the next one, which is that neck. How does neck help us? We can turn our neck to look around. We are able to see the sideways and the back side with the help of turning our neck. This is a body part which helps us to turn and look our sides. Okay, see this picture? This girl is looking sideways. Thus she can see whatever is there in her side, right and left. She can see it. How can she see it? By turning her neck. See the second picture. This lady also, she is turning her neck. Okay. Now the next body part. Which is the next body part? Teeth. Where is the teeth? It is in our mouth. Okay. And how does the teeth help us? We can chew with our teeth. When your mama cooks food, when she gives you food, you have to chew it, no? Then which body part helps you to chew the food? Good. Teeth. See the picture? This boy is chewing the carrot. And which body part helps him? Teeth. Can you spell the word teeth? Okay, good. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Okay. Now the next part, which is that leg, leg. How many legs do you have? Okay, very good. 2 legs. How do our legs help us? We can kick a ball. We can kick a ball and bend also. Legs have many functions in our body. It helps us in many ways. Number 1, we kicks a ball. See, this boy is kicking the ball. Which part helps him? Okay, leg. And what else do we do with the leg? We can bend. This girl is bending down. She is bending to take something from the ground. For that, her spine and the legs help her. Okay, so let us see what else is done by our leg. We can do cycling with our legs. Do you like to have a cycling? Is it? Yes, good. And we do the cycling with our legs. See this picture? These people are cycling. Which organ, which body part helps them? Legs. Legs have many other functions also. See, what are they? We can stand, walk and run with our legs. What do? We can stand. This boy is standing with the help of his leg. And this one is walking. See this boy? He is walking with his leg. And what is this boy doing? He is running with the help of his legs. So what do we do with our leg? We can kick a ball. We kick a ball with our leg. We bend. We do cycling. We can stand, walk, and we can run with our legs. Okay. Now we will see the next body part, which is this hand. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. How do these hands help us? Yes, we can write with our hands. Which body part helps us to write? Hand. Hand helps us to write. Okay, see this picture? The person is writing with the help of his hand. Then what else do we do? We can lift, hold and pull with our arms and hands. What do? We can lift. See what is lifting? This girl is lifting the weight. Lifting is done with the help of hand. Then what is this boy doing? He is holding the cricket bat. Okay, holding. Which body part help us to hold? Hand. Then what is pulling? See what is this boy doing? He is pulling something. For that, what helps him? He uses his arms to pull the things. So how do the hands help us? We write with the hands, we lift the things, we hold the things, and we pull the weights with the help of our arms and hands. Okay. What is the next body part which helps us? There are many body parts. Other body parts also help us a lot. Okay, knee, for example, when we are bending, knee also support us. Okay, eye. There are all the body parts of various uses for us. Okay, now we will learn about our sense organs. I told you about eye now. How does the eye help us? Okay, eyes help us to see. So these organs which help us to feel around are called as sense organs. What are sense organs? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, finger and skin are called sense organs. What are sense organs? These 5 organs are known as sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. What are they? Eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. These are called as sense organs. Why are they called as sense organs? Because they help to feel the world around us. We can feel the world around us with the help of these organs. That is why they are known as sense organs. See this picture. What are the sense organs? Repeat it. What are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay. Now we will learn about these sense organs. We can see with our eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. How many eyes do you have? Okay, 2 eyes, but only one is shown here. How do the eyes help us? Eyes help us to see. Then, which is the next organ? Yes, good. Ear. What do we do with our ear? We can hear with our ear. How many ears do you have? 2 ears. How do the ears help us? Ears help us to hear. Then we can smell with our nose. What do you do with our nose? You smell when mama makes something. When mama makes Maggi, you get a smell of that Maggi, no? Which organ helps you to get the smell? Good. Nose. How many noses do you have? Okay, one. One nose we are having. And then what do we do with the nose? We smell with the help of our nose. Then after preparation of Maggi, you taste it, no? How do you get the taste of Maggi? You taste it with the help of your tongue. See, this tongue helps us to taste everything. Okay, tongue helps us to taste. How many tongues do you have? One tongue. Okay, then what is the next sense organ? It is skin. We can touch with our finger. The skin in our finger helps us to touch and feel. And we can feel cool air with our skin. We feel cool air. We can feel hotness. All these things can be touched and felt. Which organ helps us? Our skin helps us to touch and feel. Okay. So revise the sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. Which are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Very good. So shall we move ahead? Okay. Now we have completed the chapter. So let us have a revision. What did we learn in the chapter? We learned about our parts of body. We have many parts in our body. Then what did we learn? We learned about the uses of our body parts. We learned about the uses of our body parts. We saw that legs help us to move, hands help us to write, lift and hold the things. Okay, in this way, all the body parts help us in different ways. Then what did we learn? Yes, we learned about sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5. What are they? What are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Very good. You have understood the chapter? Then learn the body parts and the sense organs. Okay? Okay, bye.